Hi, are you the one who is looking for the help in the MATLAB project? If yes, then this video is for you. If you are looking for help in MATLAB project and also you are poor and you can't spend hundreds and thousands of dollars on MATLAB project. So let's start the video without wasting any time. This video contains two most famous software which you can use to download your MATLAB project. So let's start the video. The first website we are going to talk about is GitHub. This is the most famous software which mostly people use to get to download MATLAB project. But one most famous software which contain almost a billions of MATLAB project on it. This is the GitHub software. For example, if I want to search, this is software. Wait, for my Chrome is not responding. Wait, my Chrome is not responding. Yes, this is. Yes, you can download completely free of cost a MATLAB project from this website, completely working. So I will tell you, let's begin. Okay, for example, if I want a project of brain cancer detection. Okay, okay, now GitHub will be the topmost. Okay, so jump, let's do GitHub. Yes, here you can see, here I got a complete MATLAB project of along with a final PDF, means along with the research. You get it? So you don't need to have to spend hundreds and thousands of dollars on MATLAB projects. This is a highly defined and along with the algorithm and graphic user interface. Even along with graphic user interface, this is the brain cancer detection along with PDF, graphic user interface, GUI, and everything is in here. So the problem is how you can download this project. So go back, here is code, here download zip file. So that's very easy and simple website. So from here you can get MATLAB project, but this is also a limited. Some of the projects are not in there. Here we are going to introduce you with a brand new website where you can get almost billions of MATLAB project source code. Oh, you listened correct. Billions. Even you didn't count. Even you spend days to find finds project from there. So let's jump into that software. Software website, and we will tell you how to download and use MATLAB code from there. So the site name is free source code.net. This is a site, but how to use this to get a MATLAB project? Oh yes, you see DTC, a discrete cosine wave transformation, expensive a finite sequence of data point in term of sum. Yes, many people I see you are wandering from MATLAB source code. Here is a low pass filter of MATLAB code, a Huffman code coding MATLAB, Feynman coding template matching of MATLAB code, independent component analysis MATLAB code, image compression MATLAB code, fingerprint recognition MATLAB code, image compression, fingerprint recognition MATLAB code, yes, logic regression MATLAB code, CDMA MATLAB code. This here is a millions of MATLAB code, speech recognition MATLAB code, even just speech to text, STT here, amplitude dynamic programming MATLAB code, principal code. So now it's time you to tell you that how you can download these codes and can use for your project. For example, I using a fingerprint recognition MATLAB code. So just click on it and let's see. Wait, our internet is little slow, so let's wait. Okay, sorry, internet. Okay, so here we got it. So here is the project. So you want to download this project, for example, fingerprint recognition or fingerprint authentication reference automation. Okay, so here is the fingerprint matching sample. There is the project files, and where you can download it. Here is the you can download your project. Yes, here you can download your project, fingerprint recognition MATLAB code. Wait to we download this code. Here are the project code, source code. Sorry, our system Wi-Fi is not working. Wi-Fi is not working in here. Okay, so here these are the project files. Here we have these lot of bunch of files we have for database and MATLAB code, this and that. From here you can get here you can download this project very easily. Just click on it and your project will be downloaded. Hope you will like this video, and this video can prevent your thousands and hundreds of dollars. Yes, so if you like this video, do hit subscribe, like and share with others so others can also get the benefit from this video. Thank you very much, and stay tuned with us for our next brand new video.